Anchor craft today. We're going to take this anchor, we're going to take a second anchor, and instead of a wall hanging, we're going to make them um, a shelf sitter. So let's jump right in. I'm Vicky from the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Don't forget to subscribe, and then you can get more of these crafty videos sent to you. All right, we're just going to make it so this is not going to these. These were from the Dollar Tree. They did come in red and blue, and I think we're gonna go ahead. Um, we're gonna paint the blue one white just so they match on this. Okay, to paint this, we're gonna use the Waverly Ivory color chalk paint. While we're painting, I've got this oval that's gonna be my base. We're gonna go ahead and paint that honey brown is the paint we're gonna use for this. Uh, All right, we've got the top and the bottom, so makes it more of a finished piece. We're going to go ahead and set that off to the side. We'll bring back in our pieces here. This one, obviously, it still kind of has that blue kind of behind it. I'm okay with that because I kind of like the little bit of a darker look to it. That's fine with me. I do want to go ahead and stick them together. So the plan is to have our anchor like so on our piece. Okay, so I want to glue them together and kind of fill in that gap a little bit because we kind of want it to look like one piece, right? So I'm thinking what we're going to do is we're going to um, take some of our Gorilla Glue. So we get our two pieces together. Like I said, I do have this gap. We could totally just leave that, or I've got this spackling. I think we're gonna attempt to fill this in a little bit. Okay. So with the spackling on it, it looks so much better that you don't see that big gap. See, it's like this here. So I like that. It's a little distracting. Doesn't so now it doesn't take anything away. We're gonna take a baby wipe. We're gonna take our Waverly Antique Wax and just kind of rough it up a little. Also, gonna take some like this. So it hangs down. Okay, we're gonna bring our piece back over. That's where we're gonna sit that. Let's go ahead. I want to make it look like it's kind of in sand. So we're going to take some more of the drywall repair. So back to the brown that we did the base. it's still wet. I'm going to pull this over. Some sand on it. Right, we got that sand on there. I love how that looks. The nice sandy beach look. Looks great. We're going to add a few extra things. Got this shell. I wish I had some that were a little bit smaller, but think of plate. This guy on this side. And then we can just totally decorate it more from there. But for the most part, we're just going to leave it like this. I'm going to get a few little more things to kind of add to it. And then I'll probably do like a just kind of a follow-up video and kind of show you what else I added to it. So keep on coming back for some more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.